I'm a wahala dey o. Wahala dey. You see this Nigeria, we go so far. E go tey before this Nigeria go better. Shey you no understand? Because you see this 2027 election, we are still going to fall into it. Shey you no understand? This thing that happen from the past, wey we think say if we change a new person, the thing go finish. If Tinubu leave the seat, the thing go finish. Even though we change another person, this thing go still continue. Because you see this kidnapping something and bandits of something, this thing, if you see where this thing mounts, e heavy for that place. So anybody wey enter that seat, it will be beyond the person control. Shey una no understand? We were crying in the time of Buhari. People used to say that it's because of he's a Fulani man that is on the seat. That was the reason why Fulani people get freedom to kill people everywhere. Now he's a Yoruba person. It's still the same thing. Now we are shouting, say Tinubu calm down, Tinubu calm down, we want Peter Obi. Who tell you? That Peter Obi, how did he prove to you that if he enter there, he can fight this bandit? Do you know who is bandit in Nigeria? Do you know who is bandit in Nigeria? There is something that many of you don't know. If you know where they are sponsoring these bandits, is beyond anybody control. So you don't understand. And you see, as this situation where we be in Nigeria now, we need a madman to rule us. So you don't understand. We need a madman to rule us. I'm talking about madman. Tinubu is a madman already. But we need a madman that get mind, that have a feeling for humanity to rule us. So you don't understand. You see, the mistake we will ever make again to fall into this thing again is for us to vote for Peter Obi to be our president again. You see, all those things, they will still happen. And it will be worst. Sure, I don't understand. It will be worst. Because we don't need a gentleman to handle this case. We need a madman to handle all those cases. A madman that can tell you the truth. If you are a thief, the person can tell you, say, you are a thief. So you don't understand. We need people like Very Dark Man, Sowore, that they're supposed to rule us. We need mad people to rule us again. So you don't understand. Peter Obi cannot call you a thief. Peter Obi, like if you thief, Peter Obi cannot call you a thief. Now Sowore, Very Dark Man, those people that can tell you the truth and stand in your front, those are the kind of people that we need them to rule us. When no gate, when they talk say Peter Obi, I don't see any team in Peter Obi that will convince me. I never ever see that thing. I'm not saying he's a bad person, but he cannot handle the situation. If you like, take it. If you like, leave it.